Hi all, welcome to my another video. So previously we did videos like creating an item using REST API, then adding a new item in REST API. So today we will discuss about how to update an item in Sharepoint list using REST API. So let us start. Here we have one list, employee list, and it contains title, age, experience. So what we are trying to do, like first we will display the data. So this is the first record. So first we will display only this record and we are going to update this record. So for that we have another page, employee page. We have one name, text box, age, text box, then experience, one text box, and we are retrieving those IDs. So I will show you how I return these things. So when we go to our employee page, so previously we know the page. So in our employee.html, here you can see we have label, name, then the age, and I have returned age ID. Also we have experience, text box here. So those label and text box we return here. Then we are calling one function like get list item. So in that function in our JS, like we have written one employee.js file. In that JS file we have the function get list item. So here we are retrieving get by title in our employee list and the item which we are calling. So the item is 1. So the item ID is 1. We are retrieving those details. So in our success part, in the get function success, we will get the data here. So from the data we are retrieving one by one like title, age and experience. So this way how we done those details. So please watch my previous videos if you have any doubt in get items and all those things. So now we will go the main thing, updating. So to update, what the first thing we want a button. So what we are planning is like we will put a button like update here. So once user click on the update, the record will get updated in the employee list. So we will check how we can do. So first we will have to add the update button. So for our easiness, I have added all the functionality here. So we'll just copy one by one. So button. So in the HTML, we will add button here, like the button, value update, and on the click, we have one function, update item. So we will copy those details, then we will explain one by one. So in the update item, this copy, we will paste into our employee.js function. Just save here. Also we will save HTML. So once we refresh here, you can see the button is added, the update button. So we will check the functionality. So whenever user click on the update item, this function will trigger in the update item. So what we written here? So we are fetching the first record. So the employee get item by ID, the first record we are retrieving. So in the first record, what we are going to do here? We have to update the field. So to update the field, what all things we written in the text box, it get updated. So when we check to the here, we have to provide the list field name. In Sharepoint list, suppose if we go to our Sharepoint list, here you can see the field name is title, age and experience. So the same thing we have to written here, title, age and experience. Then we have to get the value from text box. So what we written in our text box, this is the first name. So first name we have to return here. Also the age, the ID is age, also the experience is experience. So those details we have to fetch here and we have to bind in title, age, experience. So if you have any other columns, you have to add one by one. So after that, what the next change is, we have to return xhttp method merge, the updating operation. Then in the success function, we have written our alert updated. So it's like we have URL. So in the URL, we have to fetch the first item ID. Also, what we are going to do, we have the method like type post. So in the post, in the data, we have to bind which all things we need to bind, like the metadata, SP data, employee list item, that list metadata. Then the column names which we have to update, like title, age, experience. Then we have our headers. In the header we have to include http method merge. Then in our success function we have just to display whether it's updated successfully. We will catch here in the success part. So we will try. So we will go to our page. So in the employee record here you can see it's Frog, age 24, experience 8. So what we are going to try, we are going to change age to 26 and experience to 9. At the time we will update, it successfully updated. Click OK. When we go to our employee data, once we refresh here, you can see the age is 26 and the experience is updated to 9. Also when we refresh here also you can see whenever we fetching the item, we are retrieving the latest data like the age and the experience. So hope you like this video. Thank you.